Vocab Lesson 3. So today's lesson and tomorrow's will both be used as work time for this Narnia vocab story, chapters 1 to 9. So this little story, this doc in Google Classroom, will function as two things. Thing one, as an E-level retest for those of you who might have failed the vocab quiz, chapters 1 to 9. I haven't graded those yet because I'm still waiting on a couple people to finish, but maybe, I don't know, maybe some of you failed, and this is something to improve your grade on that knowledge requirement. It can't be worth higher than an E because the vocab quiz was 50 words and this is only 20 words, and it's not a quiz situation. Like, you can use your notes, you can use my website, so that's why it's E-level. The second thing it'll count as is a couple journal entries. So maybe you got an A, B, C, D, or E on the vocab quiz already, but this will still count as journal entries for you. So this can only improve your grade. I mean, if you don't do it, obviously. Can you hear my stomach? I'm super hungry. If you don't do it, it'll hurt your grade. But if you do it, it can only improve if you fulfill the requirements. So you'll go to Google Classroom. Let's use 7A as an example. Step 1, open the doc I made for you. Right here, I made a template. You'll delete the blah, blah, blahs. Fill in your deets. That's not a word, children. The actual word is details. Write your name and class. Don't just leave it there. Don't be lazy. Fill in the correct date if you're 7C. No, I think you all have to write in the correct date. I didn't write anyone's date for you. Then write stuff. Minimum of 250 words, but that's not bad. And 20 of them should be vocab words that are in bold. So here's my example. Or it's not really an example because it's just blah, blah, blahs. Oh, that's right. Yeah, I didn't give you the date. So delete this and put in the correct date. Delete the classes that are not you. Put in your actual name. Okay, so you're using the vocab words in context, 20 of them. And you can change the form like that. Vocab worded, vocab word of vocab wordity. Yeah, make sure you make them bold. So that's up here, the B. Make it bold. What else? Oh yeah, 250 words sounds like a lot, but this is already more than 250 words, and look how short that is. So it's not that bad. And you have 2 lessons to work on it. So many of you will be done early. One more note. What was it? Oh yeah. Okay, so you see here, there was a student vocab wording in the vocab word. And then here, later I say the same words. There was a student vocab wording in the vocab word. That's why I don't have this one bold, and I don't have this one bold, because I already used those words. You know what I mean? So you can use the same vocab word again, but you can't count it twice. So the second time you use it, it should not be bold. But you can use it as many times as you want. Just count it once. Is that it? I think that's it. So this is due at the end of next lesson. And just have fun with this. I presume the majority of you did not fail the quiz, so you're fine. You're just basically using this as a couple journal entries, and you can make it as funny or as absurd as you want. Just make sure you use at least 20 vocab words. If you make me laugh, you get brownie points once again. Or if you make me cry. If you make me cry, you get extra brownie points. No, I don't know. I'd rather laugh. All right, good luck. Contact me with questions.